guys, good morning. I'm at Sondai Fort. I mean, not at Sondai Fort. Starting the trek to Sondai Fort, and it's about 8:45 a.m. And this is our crew with treks and trails, and that's Mihir. You know Mihir.
Hi.
From Devkund Trail. So let's go. Let's enjoy the trail this early morning. Hey guys, so that is, we've started climbing. That's where we want to go, and it is not that sunny. It's cold. It's nice and pretty. How lovely. Guys, can you see the dam? I'm not sure, but if you can't, don't worry. You know, we will be going there. It is beautiful morning. It is lovely. I'm out of breath. See, that's a cool. Guys, see, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful, guys. That's where we have some. It's almost there. It's another 5-10 minutes. I did better. Was not on my all four. I did better today. Sagar, DJ, I'm missing you guys.
Someone's gotta change.
You want riders.
Guys, we've reached at the top. Now this fort is very small, very tiny, but nonetheless there is a small temple here, and that's our crew, and it's very small, that's all, it's it. And I'll walk from the edge so that you can see. Oh, the sweat is making me prettier day by day. It was a nice climb and a very good workout. Steep, not very steep. Somewhere at some places you have to climb the rocks, but it's nonetheless fun. I mean, look at this. Look at this. The view is stunning. That's the Morbe Dam, he said. So we'll be going there. That's the stairs that we climbed, as you saw in the trail. So let's go here. And we can go from this side. There is a temple here. The temple here. हनुमान जी, हम हनुमान जी के भक्त हैं. हनुमान जी हमें शक्ति दे ट्रैक्स करने की. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Okay, let's go and talk to the crew. Guys, say hi.
INR terms में तो होगा ही नहीं, उससे ज़्यादा ही होगा.
Guys, say hi. That's our trek leader from Devon Mihir.
हाँ.
And she is
आप बोल रहे हो उससे ज़्यादा ही होगा
baby
ना?
doll from IIT Chennai. Hi.
Okay.
What is your name? Vinny. So next time we go to Chennai, we are going to meet Vinny.
Yeah, sure.
But right now she is in Mumbai because of the online college life. That's our crew today. Very small group, but fun. So guys, we are gonna sit here for another 15-20 minutes, and because it's a small fort, not much to explore. Then we're gonna go down, climb down, descend, and then we're gonna sit next to the dam. So I will, talk to you when I reach that dam. I like water very much. So see you there. Hey guys, so look how deep it is. Steep it is. That's not that bad. Quite doable. It should take 30 minutes max to get to the top. And it is around 10:30. I think 15 minutes, 10:45. I'm not sure. And we're gonna go down and go to the dam and talk to you from there. Hey guys, so we are done with the descent also, and that's a crew, and it's not that bad. It was fun trek, a little bit of climbing. You can climb in 30 minutes and come back in 15 to 20 minutes. It was fun day. So we are going to head to the dam. That is also going to be fun, so keep watching. Hey guys, look at the lake. Beautiful lake. We're gonna chill out here for another 5-10 minutes. There is a dam also somewhere here. We're not going to go to the dam, but we are going to go to the lake. Let's go, let's go! It is hot and humid now. I am back to saying hot and humid. What a disappointing winter. Hmm. Guys, huge lake. Something like the Puri lake we camped, right? I think that lake is also like, I mean, that's also near Karjat or somewhere. I don't remember. Should not be very far from here. Yeah, let's go. That's where we went. There. So guys, this is going to be it. We're going to chill out here for another 5-10 minutes, maybe take pictures. And if you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe for more such travel and fun videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.